Welcome back, guys. I hope all of you will be fine. So again, very interesting question here as well, and that is question 2.7 of the probability. So what is the statement here? So 4 students are selected at random from a chemistry class. Okay, so there can be the number of students in a chemistry class, and from those students we have to select 4 students and classified as male or female. Okay, so either that would be male or female. So list the elements of the sample space S1. So S1 should be the sample space here using the letter M for male, and for female I have to use F. So define a second sample space. The first one is when defined, there is a second part of it, and here in this part define a second sample space S2 where the elements represent the number of the female students. Okay, so that is not present here, but here we have to represent the number of female students. That is misprinted here. So that is for S2. So here we have to select the 4 students. So therefore, in our convenience, let me have a window in which I will have what? 4 slots. Okay, so there I have 4 slots. In these slots we can have the any number of students here. So in the first slot, this is slot 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So here in first slot, how many option would I have? So I can either have here male or female. Okay, either I will have here male or female. Okay, so let me write it with any other color. Let me use this one. So either I will have here female or male option. So therefore here I have what? I have 2 choices. Similarly here in second slot, how many choices would I have? So again, the replication is allowed because I can also have here male or female student, and that is also a random sampling. So therefore either female or male here as well. In third slot, I can either have female or male, and similar options are available for the fourth slot as well. So in each slot here I have 2 options. Yes, so these are basically the 2 options, and here it would be male or female and male and female and male or female and male or female. So what is this? I can see that here I am applying the concept of and and here as well. Okay, I can see that it has been and and so therefore I have to multiply them together. This is the AND operation, and multiplying them together and seeing that what is it. So it would be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So if the bases are same, the exponents will be added together and only a single base has to be written here. Okay, so the single base here is 2, and the addition of the exponents will give me 4, which will ultimately give me the 16 possible combinations of all these points. Okay, so what would be those combinations? So let me start writing them here, and let me represent male with this orange color, and female, this will be male, and female with this blue color. Okay, so let me start writing them, and let me have in first slot all the elements I would have would be male. So male, 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 and male. Okay, so the first one is male. Then in second one, let me have male, 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 and the last one here is the female. Okay, then let me have here male, male, and here at this option I will have female. Okay, and here the male. Okay, and similarly here in the fourth one I will have here male, male, and here what would I have? I have here female and female. It can also be an option here as well. Okay, so after it, what will be the options? So I will have here male, then the female, and then male. Okay, similarly here I will have male, and here female, and then again male, and then female as well. Similarly here male and female, and here female as well, and here. So in the last one, what would I have? I will have here male, and here female, female, female. So how many combinations I have here? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 other combinations are left, and let me start writing them here. So the next combination here would be what? So let me start here with this female, and then with all the male, male, and okay. So then again female, okay, and then male, male, and the last one here would be the female. Then again female, okay, and then male, then again female, and male here as well. So you can see that I have been replicating the male or female here as well. So female, and here let me write here male, and the last two here would be female and female. Again here female, female, and the last two would be male and male. Okay, and here female, female, and here male and female. Then female, 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 and male, and the last one here would combine all the females, and this is also another option what we have. So here we have, this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so what is this? This is basically the combinations which are basically showing me all the possible outcomes of randomly selecting 4 students out of a class, and those students could be male or female. Okay, so in that here what I would have, so let me remove these sequence numbers because a sample space could not contain them, and it would only contain the sequences what we will have. So these are all the combinations which I will. So these are all the combinations, and in binary communication, if I can write here m with 0 and female with 1, so I can see that in any binary or digital communication systems or in digital arithmetics, I can see that those would be 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 up to what I will get here 1 1 1 0 1, and then 1 1 1 1. So this would be the same case here I have got. Okay, so the same scenario, and the how to write the replicating combinations of any binary items, I have shown you the procedure of writing them here, and the same will be followed in any scenario where I will have 2 items. Okay, so that is what that is we have here. This is S1. Similarly here I can see that here the number of females are 0, here the number of females in these two cases, and here, and in many cases like here I have number of females equal to 1, then here, okay, and here we have number of female equal to 2, then I also have here number of females equal to 3, and here 4. So the number of female I would have here in as mentioned and asked in the second part of this question, I may have 0 number of females, I may have 1, I may have 2, I may have 3, and also I may have 4 number of females, and that is what, that is S2, and that is also the answer of second part of my question. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to write different combinations of the items which are 2 in number and how to replicate them if the order has some meaning in it, and also these are basically have been shown multiple times. If one item has been shown in one position, that item can also be shown in the other locations as well, because replication is allowed. So that's it for today, and I will see you with such stuff and such interesting stuff in our upcoming videos. We will discuss them, and if you have any question, you may ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.